everyone, my name is Markayylaab. If you're new and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a wig install. This wig I got from AliExpress. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They will be linked down below, and so will the hair. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by pushing my wig back and removing the dirt and makeup that's on my forehead and my hairline. I'm gonna remove that so it gives me a clean slate to put my wig on. That way it will last a little bit longer than it would if I just had put the wig on directly on top of the makeup. Next, I'm going to make sure that my wig is in place and that the part is in the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut the sides or the ear tabs off of the sides of the lace because you don't need that extra lace when you are putting it on. And then after that, I'm going to take the wig off and I'm going to cut the rest because I want to make sure I'm not cutting off excess hair off of the wig, and I cannot see, so that's why I took it off, just to make sure I'm not like cutting more hair off than I need. So after I go in with the ear tabs, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairline with the Ebin spray. Now, me personally, I like the Ebin spray the best. My second best would be Bedhead, but these are my top two. Now, when it comes to spray, I would say I've tried everything. They all last about 1 to 3 days. If you're using glue, I would say they last 1 to 5 days. And that's not long enough for me. And me personally, if it's gonna last 5 days, it might as well last 3 days. That's why I personally use spray instead of glue, because nobody has time to be taking that glue off. And I feel like no matter what method you use, the glue is still hard to take off. So me personally, I like to use the spray, and I like Ebin the best and Bedhead the second best. You can use whatever you want, to each is its own, but me personally, I feel like an install, if you use spray, like I said, only lasts 1 to 3 days. An install with actual glue lasts 1 to 5 days. And I rather use the spray every 3 days than use the glue every 5 days and have a hard time taking the glue off. Okay, so after I have sprayed the spray twice on my hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and push the wig down, or bring the wig down a little bit so that it is laying where I want it to lay. Then after I have it positioned where I want to, I'm going to go ahead and take my headband, elastic band, whatever you have, you're going to go ahead and tie your wig down. Now, the longer you have it on your head, the better. But for this first step of like putting the band on for the first time, you're going to go ahead and lay it down for about 10 minutes at least. Okay, and because I don't have forearms, I'm going to wait till the spray gets a little sticky and it can hold the wig in place while I try to put the band on. So as that headband or elastic band, whatever you have, as that is holding the hairline and the lace down, I'm going to go ahead and take the pins out of my hair. I wand curled this, and I feel like for some reason with my products, the wand curl lasts the longest, and they just have super nice curls for me personally. So I wand curled it, and then I pinned it up so that the curls would, like, I don't know, last, I guess. I'm gonna wear this hairstyle tomorrow, And tomorrow is the most important day because it's my birthday, period, Sagittarius season. But I wanted the curls to last. And if I have to curl them again tomorrow, I will. But I just wanted to try this method to see if it would work because I've never pinned my hair before. I always did the lazy method where I curled it and hairsprayed it. And, you know, it is what it is. But I actually tried this time. So we'll see how it turns out in the end.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion, doesn't know. Celebrate, don't wanna say it like I don't buy it with the say it like he said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a bigger than a Gemini. I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. And I'm cutting the lace as close to the hairline as possible, but also leaving like a tiny bit of the lace off as well, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, you're going to see it in the video, so just follow along. But yeah, I'm cutting the lace at this point. So a video must have got deleted, but after I cut the lace off, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more Ebin spray on it and tie it back down, because as you can see, there's still lace that's lifting up. After I cut the lace off, I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick and just put some wax all over the top of my head, and then go in with a hot comb and press down or comb through the top of the head so that it lays a little bit flatter, because I don't want a helmet head. I want a flat head. I want it to look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So the next step was kind of like by accident. So one time I was taking my lace off and I realized that I didn't put foundation on it before. And I found that this works better than putting the foundation inside of the lace before you put it on, because I think it lasts a little bit longer and it gives it more of a natural look. So I'm just going in with my foundation and putting it on the lace. You will see a little highlight on the hairline, but that's okay because we're going to blend that in with another makeup brush just to blend it in with the makeup that I already have on my face, and so it looks more natural. So after I've blended that in, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up and spray my hairline down with the Ebin spray, because as you can see, there's still some parts of the lace that's lifting up. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the Ebin on and tie my hair back down. And you want to keep the headband on as long as you possibly can. I fell asleep and I woke back up and I'm going to take it off, but leave it on as long as you possibly can. Okay, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to take the headband off and see what we're working with underneath that headband. And as I was taking it off, some hair came off with the headband, but that's expected because I sprayed it down, and this spray is very, very strong. Some curls came loose and I was kind of upset about that, but hey, it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and define the part because it was looking like I had no part until you got to the middle. Then I'm going to comb out the edges because again, they were hard because I sprayed it, and that's expected when you spray the hairline like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I was struggling. I don't know why, but it's probably because the comb I used. But yeah, it was a struggle. You're going to see me struggling. But I got it together at the end, and you will see.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. How do you like it? I know this curl right here is a little wonky, but hey, it is what it is. It's late, so it's gonna have to be what it is. Thank you for watching as always. If you like this video, give it a like, please comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. I will have a review up, well, probably next week actually, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked down below, and so will the hair. I really like this. I really like this. This is so cute. And yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Be safe. Bye.